discuss topic in society, which is Sydney Harbour's Deadly Diet for Sea Creatures. So Alexa, what's your thought about it?
The problem that we are facing nowadays, contaminated seaweed in Sydney Harbour, that could be threatening the small animals that feed on them.
Actually, this problem occurred from heavy metals such as copper, lead, and zinc find their way into Sydney Harbour from stormwater runoff, industrial water sand, motorized watercraft.
So how can we reduce this contamination from happening in Sydney Harbour?
Strengthening industrial discharge regulation is important to reduce heavy metal pollution in Sydney Harbour by ensuring industries treat their wastewater properly and follow strict rules. Less copper and lead will enter the harbour, helping to protect marine life and keep the ecosystem healthy.
How can we improve the water quality in Sydney Harbour?
In my opinion, to improve water quality in Sydney Harbour, several practical and sustainable action can be taken. Reducing pollution is the first priority by controlling industrial discharge, improving sewage treatment system, and preventing plastic and waste from entering the water. Regular cleaning programs and the use of fresh barriers can help remove coating the waste before it spreads. Restoring natural ecosystems such as mangrove, seagrass, or wetlands can also help filter pollutants and improve water clarity. In addition, promoting eco-friendly boating practice and reducing oil spills will protect marine life. Finally, strong regulation continues, water policy monitoring and public awareness campaigns can encourage communities and businesses to work together to keep the harbour clean and healthy.